Xerox PrimeLink C9065 and C9070 printer. Routine cleaning. This video walks you through some of the simple cleaning tasks that should be done regularly. Regular cleaning prevents streaks, smears, and any other marks that might show through and affect your scanned documents. Don't use organic, strong chemical solvents or aerosol spray cleaners, and don't apply anything directly to the printer. Don't use pressurized canned air. Some of these pressurized air sprays contain explosive mixtures that are harmful to the electronics. Dampen a lint-free cloth with a suitable non-abrasive glass cleaner, like Xerox anti-static fluid. Then clean the document glass and CVT glass. Wipe away any residue with a clean cloth or lint-free towel. Dampen a lint-free cloth with a suitable non-abrasive glass cleaner, like anti-static fluid, and clean the underside of the document cover and the entire CVT roll. Open the DADF and pull the lever located on the top of the document cover to reveal the second side scanner lens assembly. Dampen a lint-free cloth and wipe the mirrored glass, metal strip, white plastic strip, and rollers. If the dirt is difficult to remove, you can use a small amount of neutral detergent. Don't push hard on the film around the glass surfaces. It is fragile.